Hospital is a 1977 Krzysztof Kieślowski short documentary that actually won the main award at Kraków Film Festival in 1977. The film is a portrayal of a very long night at a Warsaw hospital located at Barska Street. We are at the surgery unit and we see the doctors who are trying to endure a 31-hour emergency crisis. We see procedures, we see surgeries, and first of all, we see the people who are working in extremely difficult conditions. Under communism, all healthcare was state-funded, but not all healthcare was up to the standards that the regular citizen could hope for. And here we see the surgeons as they are trying to perform their regular procedures, but are suffering severely from shortages of equipment. Some scenes are almost macabre and comical in the way that they are showing the doctors using basically anything that can serve the purpose of performing an operation. You can really laugh, but also at times you will be scared by what you see on the screen. However, the tone of the film is laudatory of the efforts of the doctors. Kieślowski clearly admires them. He admires their stamina, but also he seems to be admiring their dark humor that they engage in sometimes. The film is structured like a ticking clock. You will see hours and times flashing on the screen, and then you will see the whole flow of time as the doctors are trying to have a short nap or a cigarette in between procedures that they are performing. The movie is also significant in one very minor way, but actually a way that is significant if you are looking at cultural history of Poland. One of the patients who is brought to this ER unit is a young girl who tried to commit suicide. And you need to remember that suicide was basically a taboo subject throughout communist Poland history, and it wasn't really addressed fully in either documentary films or even in the press as a social problem to be battled. So here, this young woman who attempted suicide is actually a portrayal of someone who is apparently not very happy in a system that promised everyone equal happiness. So in this minor way, it also shows some social problems that extend the walls of the hospital on Barska Street. The film is very intense, darkly funny at times, and really after all those years you can still appreciate the very hard effort that the doctors were putting into their daily and nightly work.